Meaning of goggle-eyed.
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 Goggle-eyed. The term goggle-eyed describes a person or animal with eyes that bulge outwards, often in a startled or surprised expression. The eyes appear to be large and round, like the lenses of goggles. This expression can be used to convey a sense of shock, fear, or astonishment, as if the subject is seeing something so unexpected that their eyes cannot help but widen in surprise. It can also be used in a more playful context to describe a person who is excited or highly focused on something, with their eyes fixed intently on their goal.